fix the orange screen of death on Windows 10. And if your PC suddenly shows an orange screen, let me ask you, are you experiencing crashes where the display turns orange and the system becomes unresponsive? This problem usually happens because faulty graphics drivers, corrupted system files, or hardware conflicts interfere with Windows display. Sometimes recent updates, overheating, or background software also trigger the issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky driver reinstalls, complicated registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not stop the orange screen. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling Windows or changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact graphics driver, system file, and hardware path that causes the orange screen of death. This works because it restores proper display operation and system stability. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows 10 PCs. Once you apply it, orange screen crashes disappear. Your system runs normally, and the problem is gone. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If the orange screen of death on Windows 10 is crashing your PC, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.